Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at Bum 1116 Spanish Oaks here in Mission, Texas. Gonna be checking out the newest Calvary home, my friends. Alrighty, this is the Oaks on Bryan, and we're super excited to feature the ONYX 3.0, my friends. This is the newest project that my wife and I built from scratch, and it was actually supposed to hit the market this week, guys, but by God's grace, it actually sold before it even hit the market. So we have a beautiful family we're going to be turning in this house over to in a few weeks, and so we're super excited for them. But I wanted to give you guys a just kind of exclusive access before that actually happens, and show you guys what we've been up to. For a lot of you guys that may not know, my wife and I, we actually build homes here in the RGV. Outside of the fact that we sell homes in Dallas, my wife and I, we have a construction company here in the Rio Grande Valley. And I'm sure you guys are probably like, well, what is up with the RGV, Armando? What, do you have ties there? Or, why the RGV? Well, guys, for a lot of y'all that may not know this, I'm actually from here. I was born and raised in the Rio Grande Valley. And so this is home for me. And it feels awesome to be able to pour back into my community and to be able to build our projects out here and just really bring something new to the marketplace, guys. There's a lot of things that we did to this ONYX 3.0. And we have a couple more projects that we're gonna be finishing up here. But I'm gonna show you guys around and would love to hear what you guys think. Obviously, we're still improvising. We're still getting some fine detailing in, but I think this one, we really did a great job. But aside from that, guys, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join the YouTube familia if you haven't already, my friends. And as always, be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video for the good news. By far, the greatest part of the videos is towards the end for the good news. Okay, guys, so lots of things to go over. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,300 square feet, 2-car garage. And so a lot of things we did differently from this home and the ONYX 2.0, okay? And so here what we did is we actually added a Jack and Jill setup. So as soon as you walk in, here it is perfectly situated on the right wing of the house. Alrighty, got that beautiful porcelain tile all throughout. This is our modern series, guys. So in case you guys, are like, you know what, Armando, I'm not really feeling the porcelain. I don't really like all those modern touches. I kind of like more of that warmer, homey style. Well, guys, the good thing is that this is our modern package, and then we have our timeless package that's coming, which we will definitely show you guys when it hits the market. But it's gonna have nice warmer oak flooring and kind of those warmer color tones with the champagne bronze plumbing fixtures. But once again, guys, this is the modern package, which we're gonna go over that here in a bit. But here we do have that nice Jack and Jill setup, floating cabinetry here, touch LED mirrors, and then here we have that seamless glass stand-up shower with the rain shower head and the chrome hinges. Alrighty. Now, biggest things that we really want Calvary Homes to be, guys, just full transparency, is that we really want our standard features to be the upgrades, right? So we don't want to include any upgrades in our homes. We want them to be exactly what you guys see. There are no more selections. This is exactly what you get. So that way there's no confusion. I've been in this industry for almost a decade now, guys. And one of the biggest feedbacks I have gotten over the years of being in this industry and selling hundreds of homes and building is that a lot of builders, in the Dallas area, or just, builders that have been in the, obviously in the industry for many years, every little thing is an upgrade. And so it really tacks on the pricing, and it kind of, really disappoints a lot of clients from my experience, because every little thing is an upgrade, and it's a little upsetting because you go to these beautiful model homes and you see how gorgeously decorated they are, and they're absolutely stunning, but that is typically another $200 to $300K on top of the base pricing, guys. And so really what we want to do with Calvary is, what you see is what you get. Everything is already laid out, fully upgraded. You pay the price that is actually displayed, and that way there's no confusion, guys. And so we're adding really nice trendy details to our projects, guys. As you can see here right away, I mean, one big thing, y'all already know I'm a big fan of the high ceilings, so we did add another row of windows there, so it just gives you more natural lighting. We even bumped out the breakfast nook, added a full array of windows all throughout there. I really wanted, you know, the families that walk into our houses to just be wowed. I want them to walk in, and when friends and guests, you know, come over, they're like, did you really, like, that was the price? Like, that is a great price. Like, I really want our homes to feel like you got a great deal. And yeah, does that mean we have to, obviously, you know, on the back end, does that mean that as a builder, like, do I have to eat some of that cost? Absolutely, but that's okay, because I want to deliver a product that will stand the test of time, that my clients and our buyers will be proud of. I really want our homes to, you know, to hopefully stay within the lineage and to be passed down from generation to generation as a product that people are proud of, as a home that they're proud of. And so, like I said, guys, we are improvising, we are making fine detailing. This house was actually in the 400s, guys. So this is a fully inventory spec home that we built out. Now we do have opportunities to build from scratch too, guys, which, just in case you're here in the RGV, if you have any lots in Edinburgh, Mission, Sharyland, Mcallen, depending on where it's located, the CCNR, deed regulations, all that good stuff, we can potentially build an ONYX floor plan on your lot. So we do have those opportunities available. But once again, guys, biggest things we want to do is, like I said, we want to keep all of our selections a standard upgrade, okay? No crazy model homes with a lot of crazy bells and whistles. Like the model homes, we're actually building a model home here in this subdivision, which once it gets released, guys, I would love for y'all to come out. Everything that you're gonna see in that model home is already gonna be included in every one of our homes. So we want our homes to be fully decked out with a firm price tag attached to it. And, you know, keeping them price friendly as well, guys. That's our biggest thing. And keeping it simple, keeping it efficient, keeping it transparent, and obviously, you know, just, I don't know, guys. I mean, that's just one thing that my wife and I, we talk about all the time. Like when we're laying in bed before we go to sleep, like, how can we just make this so much easier for clients? Can they just walk in and just, is this the price? Yes, this is the price. This is what you're gonna pay at the end of the day. There is no hidden upgrades or selections. This is exactly what you're getting. But anyways, long story short, guys, we added lots of cabinetry here, beautiful darker scheme handles, plumbing fixtures, and then you got that window backsplash that I am a big fan of. I really love how it came out in our last project, and so I added that once again because my wife and I, we just, once again, we want our families to have a lot of natural lighting. We have the gas cooktop, LG appliances, dishwasher as well, darker scheme plumbing fixtures. Once again, guys, the timeless series selections are gonna have more of that warmer white oak cabinetry with that tuxedo look, and then it is gonna have those warmer colors as far as, the warmer floors, which, once again, if you're not a fan of the modern porcelain floors. Here we have that hidden pantry tucked away. Alrighty, look at that, my friends. I really wanted to add a hidden pantry, and it's nicely sized, okay? So, you know, I would say this is a pretty good sized pantry. We try to make use of every part of the square footage, and like I said, this is only 2,300 square feet, guys, which is pretty crazy. It feels like 3,000. I mean, it feels a lot bigger. Look at this, guys, a full array of windows all throughout. So once again, this breakfast nook is perfect for hosting the family or private dinners and Christmas. I just, like I said, I get so excited because I'm like, man, my wife and I, you know, having our buyers, like, you know, living in these homes, it's like looking back and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's something my wife and I, we built together, and we came up the vision, and we, you know, brought it to fruition, and now a beautiful family is living in that home. And so we just, once again, guys, we want to bring that pride of home ownership back into the industry. And so anyways, guys, I know I'm rambling on too much, but all right, so here we have that beautiful stone fireplace with the darker scheme. We have that linear electric fireplace. We had an LED behind the fireplace as well, so it gives that nice touch and feel. Alrighty, and then you guys already know, LEDs up on the ceilings, gorgeous modern light fixtures, okay? And here we do have that covered back patio. Alrighty, with the nice little extended patio, because sometimes when I would go to, show other builders products, they would have a little slab of concrete here and they would say, this is the patio. Like, what? How are you gonna use that little slab? I mean, so we really want to extend the patios here and just once again, give you that nice enough room. It's perfect to set up the grill, the carne asadas, and the lots in this subdivision, which a lot of them are already sold out, but we have another project there. We have this project here we're going, and then we got a couple more down the road. And so this community is actually sold out, but I know there's a few more subdivisions coming out. And so lots are popping up everywhere here in the RGV. And so anyways, okay, here we do have the laundry room. We actually got some packages, so I apologize for the little boxes there, but here's the laundry room. All right, got the nice dark hinges and dark handles here. Alrighty, beautiful. And then as you guys can see here, we try to really sand down the walls so it looks very flushed. I'm not a fan of the popcorn kind of look on the walls, and so we really try to sand it down as much as possible to give it that nice clean look. And then here we do have the primary ensuite. Okay, primary ensuite. I wanted to do that nice wood panel there with the strips of LED. Now, I think we might switch it up on the other ones, but let me know, guys. Do y'all still want to see this? I've been kind of debating maybe adding more windows instead, or maybe just adding like a nice, kind of two light fixtures hanging down with two large windows. And then we added a third window on the other project, the one that we're building. Just kind of really optimizing our homes, guys. And just, once again, your feedback would be very much appreciated, guys. Now, keep in mind too, I need to keep it price friendly. And so, there's a lot of things that I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, Armando, you should add a pool, and you should add like, imported gold from, I don't know, Spain to the floors. I mean, guys, you gotta keep in mind, I have to keep them price friendly. And at the same time, we're a business. And so if we're not profiting, then we won't stay in business at all. So just little small things that we can definitely add to optimize the house. Here we have the stand-up shower, seamless glass, rain shower head there. Got that nice, well, actually this isn't wood, this is actually tile. So got that nice wood look tile, porcelain slabs in the actual stand-up shower here. Darker scheme, plumbing fixtures, dark hinges. And then you do have that nice double floating vanities here, guys. Soaking tub, and then got your other vanity here. Alrighty, and then here you do have your commode water closet. All right, private little door here. And a nice respectfully sized walk-in closet, okay? Yes, guys, we're slowly improvising. So I know next project, we're gonna make the closets a little bit bigger. It's just, once again, we didn't wanna eat up too much from the other room. So, but so little by little, we're going to start making these small improvements throughout time goes, guys. We're about 2 years in building our own construction homes. And so, there's a lot of things that come into play, guys. I would probably bore you to death with how much is entailed behind the scenes to bringing a home to life, from working with the city, permitting, architecture, design, engineers. I mean, there is so much that comes to play when it comes to building homes, guys. And so, but anyways, guys, maybe you save that for another video. And then here we do have another ensuite bath. Ensuite bedroom here. Alrighty, beautifully situated. Got a nice little walk-in closet. And then here we do have the full bathroom, stand-up shower, single vanity, touch LED mirror there. All right, little towel closet, little towel area here. So little things, like I said, that I'm really just, throughout the process, I'm improvising, I'm working on. My wife and I, we're working relentlessly. Like every day, we're always trying to optimize Calvary. Like, how can we make Calvary better? How can we make the floor plans better? How can we make, just once again, give as much as we can to our clients. And so anyways, guys, I really just thank you. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little nervous, presenting my home, because it's our home. And yes, I really want your feedback. And so, but it is like, oh man, it's like presenting in front of a class. This is my home. This is what my wife and I built. And our beautiful family has been working on this home for, man, since November. And so it's amazing to see where it's come, and the fact that a family has already bought it. Our house is by God's grace, guys, which all glory to the good Lord, man, they've been selling so fast. They don't even last a week. I just think I don't know if there's an anointing in our homes, but it's just people really love our houses, and we're excited to see beautiful families. And we're gonna, little by little, I hopefully look back at this video in 5 years and be like, wow, look where we've come. And so I hopefully this inspires you and encourages you guys. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been in this industry for, like I said, almost a decade now. My wife and I, we started about 2 years ago, but I've always had the desire to build my own homes, my own products, almost 4 years ago, because like I said, working with national builders, these massive corporations and companies, I really saw like how outdated the systems, how outdated the architecture, the design, all these upgrades, and the pricing was just like super expensive. And it's just like, putting carpet in some of these houses, and then you have to upgrade to a regular floors. And it's like, why don't you just give us the regular floors and give us an actual pricing versus like start us off with carpet, and then we have to upgrade every little thing, and then you end up paying like another 50 to 100,000 that's past your budget. And so like my wife and I were like, you know what, we want to make our homes like just be beautiful already, like where families don't have to feel like they have to move right away. They're happy to be in their home. And then obviously, later on as we progress, guys, we're gonna build our new higher end product. I think they're here right now. My wife, I have to go open the door here. But guys, anyways, I really would love to hear y'all's feedback. Check us out on Instagram, Calvary Homes TX. I'm gonna leave the description there. I would love for you guys to join the journey. Please keep us in prayer, guys. There's so many things that happen behind the scenes with building out these homes, and the beautiful families and that trust us. We just thank you, everybody, because honestly, we wouldn't be here without you guys. All the beautiful families we've been able to serve and just be able to start this company. It's amazing to see where God is taking us, and it's truly by his grace and his mercy. So I'm gonna leave you guys with the good news, and I gotta head over there to open the door for the missus or somebody. I think they're coming here to see the house. But John 3:16, for God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are breathtaking, they're gorgeous, they're absolutely stunning, but they do not compare to the eternal home that the good Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us through what he did on that cross at Calvary, my friends. And I am here to tell you that I'm a living testimony of God's grace, his mercy. I would not even fathom me being here, God getting out in 2019 from the Marine Corps with nothing, veteran that I didn't even have any money saved up. I was basically homeless, living off of my brother's apartment. And, I had my beautiful wife by my side, and, through her prayers, I came to know Yeshua. And now here we are, 2026, building our own homes, building our own development company, and, just seeing families actually move in, buy our homes. It's so beautiful to see, and working with families in Dallas as well. It's God is so good, guys. And I'm not here to tell you that it's all rainbows and sunshines, because it's not, guys. There's trials, there's tribulations, and there are things that are going to happen, but you need to trust him throughout the process. Lean not on your own understanding. Trust the Lord thy God, guys. Trust him with everything, even through the hard moments, even through the good moments. You have to continuously know that he is on your side. If God be for us, who could be against us, guys? And I'm telling you right now, starting this home development company was such a scary thing, guys, because I was like, where do I begin, Lord? How do I start this? And man, oh man, God was just, he honestly, it was a matter of the first step. Okay, figuring out, okay, where do I get to the basics? Okay, how do I get funding? How do I find, the right lots? And then at the same time, I have to make sure I'm optimizing these homes to keep them price friendly, and make sure that I build them out within the comparables in the neighborhood, and making sure that I'm aligning what is trending, as far as our houses. What do people like? What do they don't like? What is the buyer psychology? What is happening in 2026 as far as houses? What are people, there's so much complexity goes behind to building a home development company, guys. I could talk to you guys forever about it. But anyways, I give all glory to the Lord Jesus Christ. I praise him. I love him. My beautiful wife, that is just my partner in crime. She is the one that actually helps with budgeting and design. And she is my rock, guys. We work together hand in hand to bring these homes to life. And it's amazing to see what God is doing. And I'm so excited for this beautiful family that's going to be moving into this house, Lord willing, if all goes well by his grace and his mercy. But anyways, guys, hopefully look back on this in a few years and see where we've come. But keep us in prayer, guys. I love all of y'all. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about our newest project, ONYX 3.0. We got ONYX 4 and ONYX 5 coming out. Like I said, we're making we're improvising little by little, guys, optimizing it, making it better and better, more efficient, and just once again, really hoping by God's grace to change the industry for the better and be a light in the industry and to glorify Christ through every home we build and sell. But anyways, guys, God bless you. Shalom. Peace be with you guys. I love all y'all. Bye-bye.